blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me, these are all my confessions. Man, this wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since Ed and Eddie, who flip like confetti. And then when you back, they back to call you dog. That shit.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Precious. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen?
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's vlog, as you can see by the title of the vlog, I bought a couch. I'm just joking. I bought a new washing machine, so I'll be unboxing my washing machine, and tomorrow will be the 4th of July. I'm also celebrating 1 year living in this apartment, so look at my fuzzy. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox my machine and show you how it looks when it's unboxed.
I was wondering, maybe, could I make you my baby? If we do the unthinkable.
I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. Smell good, taste good, feel good, look great. Shape like a number 8. Titties real, look fake. Yeah, eat it up, whole plate. Got your hook, I'm bait. Sex drive, he can't wait. Make him come fast like let's race. Ride 6 flags with my hands up. Drop that ass down, make it stand up. Baby mama can't stand us. Act tough, get your mans fucked. BBS is on Chanel pearls. Sweat it out, need a new curl. My pussy key to his whole world. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. Big mama, no kids. Waiting for the right nigga, right time. Bitches hearing through the grapevine, I'm hearing GIA certified. Is you gon' make it rain for these thunder thighs? Yeah, I'm a 10 and a freak. I'm only spitting out Listerine. Play with me, don't play with me. Yeah, hoes ain't had emotion when the doorbell ring. 10 French tip toast and then these Dolce heels. Same maggot ass hoes stay on my dick for real. Man, what the fuck I look like tripping off some dick for real. God ain't stopped making them when he made his for real. I'm so summer. So guys, I bought those champagne glasses at Pick n Pay Home. So I'm about to just, look at them.
I'm about to release them and then we'll pop the champagne together. That's chewy. Also, to be together.
On a nigga way, I switch him out. On my mama, I give a nigga something to figure out. Look who tripping out. She done switched around. I'm in my go, yeah, you go, girl. Go, go, go. I'm in my go, yeah, you go, girl. I'm in my go, yeah, you go, girl. Good skin, rich too. Still doing it like Rick do. Used to have a chip too for the synthetic, not a wig glued. I'm a homeowner with a swim pool. Built like figure eight, I'd be intimidated. Team tight can't penetrate. Many men who minute men ain't any men I ever date. Generate more money than I blow it all on my own girls. Then I go home, chauffeur. Get home, South Bath. Feet hurt, sore abs, tight calves. I like that, but it's like that for the show, girl. In my backyard getting dome, girl. In a sun chair with my toes, girl. In his bedroom on a poster. I'm in my go, yeah, you go, girl. 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 I'm in my go, yeah, you go, girl.
Blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like Father, forgive me. These are all my confessions, man. This wasn't like it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since 88 and 80. We flip like confetti, and then when you back, they back to call you back. That shit can get petty, but still ain't no back to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me? This ain't what I want, man. This what it had to be. This is that late night working after 3, man. This is why my old girl was mad at me. This why I'm your majesty, man. The click is the tightest, the pussy the tightest, the drinks are the coldest, the future the brightest, the feet not divided, the love is divided, and I just got it. Thank God that we got it. Bless. I don't know what I would do without a crew. Look like we robbed the bank, but all we make is deposits. Your profit with profit, oh God.
I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. Straight up, I'm way up, I feel blessed. Straight up, way up, I feel blessed.
Just 1 year of living in this apartment.
Checks you on, so I expect that payment nothing less or over. I don't need the favors that you asked me for. I could get too fussed about where the Grammys go. I just gave out Grammys on my Instagram. Them OBO boys, the business, man. It is what it is. Trust me, you get what you give. Yeah. You gotta come to my side and see how we live. Yeah. I cannot see heaven being much better than this. Yeah. Blessings on blessings for me and my niggas from the 6. Look at what we did. Yeah. Be quiet, I'm doing a toast. For niggas that don't really do shit, I swear I be doing the most. Stop worrying about whoever's next. I am just worried about my mama worrying less. I think I'm famous enough, I don't need any more press. I am convinced I'm the only one left that's still doing this shit, man. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed.
Good morning, guys. So today it's Saturday, the 4th of July. So today marks 1 year since I've been living in this apartment. Yeah, so moving in, honestly guys, I didn't have any clue how am I gonna survive living in this place. So I remember at one point I wanted to move out because I thought I cannot do this anymore. I think I also wanted to move out because I was listening to people telling me that this is expensive, and all. But I didn't let that get to me, but I decided to stick to my gut feeling. My gut told me to keep on staying here. And I'm so grateful, guys. But one thing I wish my grandmother was still alive to witness the person I've grown into, the lady that she's raised. Honestly, I'm so grateful for that woman, and may her soul continue resting in peace. I hope she's looking over me in heaven and proud that her grandchild is where she is right now. I don't wanna blab much, but it's been a tough journey living in this apartment, but I'm grateful for the opportunity. I hope God will still cheer for me, because guys, besides God, like everybody, yeah. Like we keep on wishing for more, but I'm so grateful for this phase of my life. Very, very grateful. And who would have knew that one day I, enpendulotshabalala, would own a whole washing machine, living in your own apartment. I don't wanna lie, I never thought that one day this would be my life. Honestly, I think if you would have told me back in the day that, when one day you live in an apartment, you have a smart toaster. A toaster is coming, a smart toaster is coming, but we are here, but growing up, like honestly, we go to school to learn about things that some of them we don't even use them in our grown-up life. Like there's no manual to being an adult. And as you grow, some other things you see, but I thought this is how it's supposed to happen, but you just gotta figure it out. Whether you do it alone, whether you do it with your partner, or whether you do it with your family or what. But at the end of the day, I think every choice, a decision that you make, it has to come from you. Like people can influence you. Social media can also influence you, but at the end of the day, it's your choice to make. The reason why I'm saying that it's moving in this apartment, obviously, a lot of people my age moving into apartments with influencers and all of those stuff. You see, it can be a pressure of influence, but I didn't let social media pressurize me into wanting to finish this place in 1 year. You see, because if you can watch on social media, there'll be someone who have moved in. They have all their smart appliances, the kettle, the toaster, the blender, the whatsoever. 1 month into moving in, they've already bought a washing machine, a nice smart TV, a new fridge, new bed, only bed sling. Some are getting collaboration with furniture companies. And I wish that for myself, but I was like, I won't put myself under pressure. It will take time. And here we are, 1 year later, I own my washing machine. So if you want to move out, but don't put yourself under pressure. When someone visits me, no, that person is not supposed to be in your life. Because my TV, we went from having this TV sitting on this table that I'm using as a coffee table currently, sitting on it, and people asking me, what's your TV for? Hey, Jan, and it's set on this table without falling. And now I have a TV stand. It took time. You see. But I believe what, one day I'll get the TV stand. One day I will own a washing machine. One day, you see, you just gotta believe in yourself, but don't put yourself under unnecessary pressure. Now you have credit because you wanted to make the society happy. No, at the end of the day, you come back to your place, you are paying for all of those unnecessary things, then you feel like you're not coping. So I didn't let social media pressure get to me, but I kept on telling myself, what, I'm gonna do this. It's all about believing in yourself and the timing. You see, the timing, when the timing is right, it shall happen. Honestly, it shall happen. And with God besides you, when He says, you know what, my child, this is yours. Take it, be grateful, and we move on. You see, I think the honest thing about life is that when we accomplish what we wanted, we want more. You see, because yes, now we're moving on to the next item. We're saving up for the item, we keep on checking prices. Maybe by the time it's on special, I will get the next item. So it's all about getting the next thing, but not under pressure. We can take another year to get another item. It's fine. It's fine. So yeah, but my life, that is the only wish I have. But may His soul continue resting in peace. And I just want to thank her for raising me to be the woman that I am today. I'm grateful. I'm forever grateful. So I'm not sure if I did mention that today I'm going to Soweto. I'm going to do my hair. So I wanted to do like royal knotless braids or Fulani braids, but budget is not budgeting. So I'm going to just do a straight back and then come back. I asked this other guy that lives here in our complex to come remove the bolts behind the washing machine, then I'll switch it on. Yeah, you'll just do my laundry when I come back. I'm excited, I'm not lazy. Yeah, then when I get paid, I'll just buy myself that washing break that I can leave on my balcony. If ever happens, I do laundry after work during the week, then I know I'll let it there on the balcony for the laundry to get dry. But honey, guys, no pressure. So yeah, I'm just going to do my hair and come back. I cannot tell it they had nails, so this is the state of my nails. So my sister is still sleeping, but we're living together. So now I want to just jump into the shower, get dressed, then we leave. Yeah, I don't want to get there and she's doing someone's hair where I have to wait. I want to be the first one, so that's why I just want to leave in. I want to call as well until I'm on my way. Hopefully someone doesn't beat me to it, but if they do, this empty space. You see, every time I'll see the empty space here, I'll be like, one day it will be full. I don't have any shit. Sada! Yeah. So low, that's a low, hoopy for hoopy. Hoopy.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we've been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing. When I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love. I don't know how to give me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
So I'm back from Soweto, and I asked one of the guys, our security, so he was helping me remove Lama Power Dilawa. So yeah, to be a chili owner. I don't think so. kuzomele ngithothile ngoba lefila. So ngiyowufaka mangiqeda. I just wanna try and install i-pipe. But I'm so happy. Ngizoba nje. So one of these things fell in azoma izomoshe imishini or what. Ngoba iwili sekugulu. But you see, it doesn't think it will hurt. Sizobona khona nami angazi. But zonke lezi sizikhipile. So manje leli ipipe lamanzi. Yeah. So I think that Bella, lalele nami, yazi sibanini. So ngizoyifaka ngeside kuqala, just to connect the just fucking. So they said I must block them to increase their amount of sugar flow. But imagine. Typing with fabulous. What is it? Important. When you are loved, but I'm full of the pipe. Okay, let's just do Mama, which one is which one? Oh, le, is one. So when you write, you must. I was right now, which le is one. Piano roll. So I'm done setting up the washing machine. Now I am washing a few of my clothes. I just want to test it out how it works. And yeah, maybe I'll continue washing now or tomorrow morning. But clock it. You jump. Dun, dun, dun.
Love yours. No such thing.
Uyakhumbula mngani wami, esithathela phansi manje basibona, Sosiyo, Petiko, Sosiyo,
Let a nigga know that he alright. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, and I'm sitting here by the balcony because the sun is nice, but I need to get up and start cleaning. I was going through this T's and C's for the warranty because you see it's written it's 4 years warranty. So as I'm reading, they stating that you get 3 years warranty and then you have to register on the Hisense website for you to get the 4 years, you see. So I just finished registering my washing machine because I bought it on Takealot. So in case it gets broken or whatever that happens, I don't want any drama, you know, with getting it fixed or yeah, whatever it is. But I think it will pass that 4 years, but I'm just being on the safe side. So I just finished registering on the Hisense website. So I think if I have an issue, I have to contact them directly. Takealot is just a middleman for them. So yeah, I think I can rest easy. So now I just want to go do my bathroom. So I'm cleaning my apartment off camera, and then today is the last day of the vlog. I'm not sure if I'm gonna cook with you guys later on when I make dinner, but I have to take off those pajamas and wash them as well. So yeah, 12 hours the cleaning Sanjay. You see, when your shower glass doors like misty and all of those things, I came right, so I'm gonna do that now. But I wanna start having I wanna start with eating the oats before I start singing and food with singing shake a lot. But yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and just subscribe to be part of the family. Yeah, and that's all of you guys. Benemali yenqashwa nje alithebele ngihlalele ngimbuke but alijofuthi ngiyabroke so anende
I think it's so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and fall in love. I'm the perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would breathe. It's so easy to fall in love with the way I do my hair, the way I make you laugh, the way we like to share. Oh, I'm set apart. I could be fresh air, I'll be the girl of your dreams. There's no need to hide if you're into me, 'cause I'm into you quite intimately. And maybe one night could turn into three. Well, I'm down to see, 'cause I think it's so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and fall in love. I'm the perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love with me.
So this is the end of the vlog, and if you reached this far, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, and do subscribe to be part of the squad. So I just finished cooking, and I'll put a picture of this macaroni that I used. It kind of looks like rice. I don't know if you guys can see it. I made it with chicken breast, mushrooms, and yeah. So this is what I'm having tonight. Hopefully this vlog is out by 8 today. Francois, but yeah, I'm having this with wine and catching up on Isita. So I'll see you guys on the next vlog.
Take me